Hello, I'm Jason from Road Rescue. This will be the 4-step guide to get you back on the road as soon as possible. First step, you will inform us about the car issue, whether it's a battery or tires, your car model and your current location. Second, we will quote you the price and estimated time to your location. Third, we will rectify the issue before we proceed. Fourth, we will double check and ensure everything is in good condition before we hand over. I hope that this video helps you. If you have any question, please contact us, Road Rescue Team.